Hello everyone, welcome to my another unboxing video. And as you can see, this is the LED flashlight with rechargeable batteries, or you can use 2 AAA battery, or another rechargeable batteries, AA to AA side. This is included the lithium battery with this, but you can use the other batteries too. This is the information about this, and this is a brand. Okay, let's open this. USB charger is not Type C, micro USB, and this is the bag is here, and this is the instruction. As you can see, this is a 2-stage high, low, 3-stage high, low, and strobe. The good thing is this has a zoom. It's a twist the seal and then pull down. Yeah, this is a protected, battery is protected. It's a twist the seal and pull down. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is a USB port for charging, and I don't know how to oh, this is a zoom. Yeah, we can turn this. Alright, this is a now this is a USB port. You can use twisting, turning the clockwise, and this is a zoom, turning clockwise or counterclockwise. You can adjust the zoom here, and here should be the battery. Yeah, there's a seal. Oh, this was this small paper here. There is a seal that was here, and this is a battery, lithium batteries. I think there is some charge now that we removed. Oh, this already. See. And strobe. How bright this! Very bright. And low and strobe this. Yeah, this not bad. And let's zoom. Zoom. Yeah. Yeah. Little and still there's a clamp to put in the pocket. It's not bad. Nice. The metal, aluminium, I think. There's no any plastic part. Only here is there's a rubber. In the review, some people complain about this, that broke. This is my second one. The first one now I using the not heavy duty users, but I'm using this now about over the year, still in the good shape. And even just one time I think I charged. Yeah. Okay. And this is a manual. How many lumen? Discharge time high 4 hours and low light, I mean that means I think 8 hours. What say waterproof? 300 lumen. Okay. Thank you for watching.